What's the meaning of après-ski? Après-ski. Après-ski.
Après-ski. Après-ski. Après-ski is a French term that refers to the social activities and entertainment that people engage in after a day of skiing or other winter sports. These activities often take place in resorts or lodges, and can include things like drinking hot cocoa, enjoying live music, or relaxing in a spa. The term has come to represent a specific type of leisure culture associated with winter sports, and is often used to describe the overall experience of a ski vacation rather than just the physical activity of skiing itself.